You're in for a treat today. I sometimes think that anybody who's watched more than one of my videos, especially the canning ones, must think, what does she do with all that stuff she has canned? Does it just sit in her cupboards forever and ever until she doesn't need it anymore or it's expired and throw it out? Absolutely not. I do use what I can, and that's what I want to show you today. I want to show you a favorite recipe of mine to make with the mango chutney that I made in one of my earlier videos. And if you haven't seen that, check it out. I will put the link in the description below and maybe the link up here. Maybe you want to check out that video first to make your own chutney and then come back and make your mango chicken. You're gonna see it's really easy to make. All you need is spices and your chutney and you're good to go. And some chicken, of course. I looked far and wide to try to find jerk spice here close to home, and I couldn't. So as usual, I compromised. I did the next best thing and I made my own jerk spice, because this is kind of one of the main ingredients to the recipe. It really gives your chicken this extra flavor and spice to it because it has like cayenne pepper and red pepper flakes. And so I googled a couple recipes, mishmashed it all together and made my own jerk spice. So we'll see how that goes. The first thing you want to do is prepare your chicken with the spices. So you're going to rub the spices all over your chicken. Make sure that it's very well covered in the spices. I'm starting by laying out all my chicken pieces on a cookie sheet lined with a parchment paper just to make cleanup that much easier. And I'm going to make sure to spread the spices on each piece of chicken evenly. You can even rub it in a bit. As simple as that. The cooking time is going to depend on the size of your chicken pieces. You need to preheat your oven on broil. So you're going to want to keep a good eye on this. With your oven being on broil, you don't want to burn your chicken. And I'm going to flip them over. Add some more of these beautiful spices on top. Coat the other side well. I'm rubbing this in for good measure so it really sticks to the chicken. That spice smells really good. There's cinnamon in there and I can just smell that cinnamon. It smells great. So let's pop this in the oven on broil for around 10 minutes, but keep a close watch on it just to make sure that it doesn't burn, because you wouldn't want to burn your chicken. Once you're sure that your chicken has cooked through, that it's no longer pink, then you're going to pull it out and we're going to start making that mango sauce. Let's incorporate this delicious mango sauce now into our chicken. You're going to start by heating your pan on a medium heat and adding your chutney to the pan. You may want to add a little bit of water to your chutney if you find that it's very thick, just so it doesn't burn. Make sure to spread that to the bottom of your pan and then add your chicken. Remember, this is the chicken that is completely cooked through. I have about 1/4 cup of mango sauce or chutney, but you can obviously add more or less depending on how you like it. I am adding a little bit more sauce just so I can really make sure to have all that chicken covered in this mango sauce. Flip your pieces over to make sure that they become well coated. And you just kind of let this sit here so it kind of glazes and thickens and coats your chicken well. Time to plate the results of our beautiful chicken. And just so you know, I am not a chef, so this is not going to be pretty like you would see in a restaurant or an Instagram picture, but I'm going to try my best to make it pretty. You may want to start by adding a side to your plate, or you may not. It's all going to depend, especially if you want to be able to pour some of that chicken and sauce on top of each other. So I'm going to serve this with rice, and then just kind of place your chicken on top, all around, how much or as little as you want. Taking some of that delicious sauce and spooning it over. And clean your plate, because that doesn't look pretty. And then serve with a side of naan bread with that, any kind of bread, a vegetable, anything you'd like. There you have it. delicious mango chicken ready in probably 15 to 20 minutes, the time that it takes to cook your rice. So very simple. I hope you try it and I hope you enjoy it. So I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, don't be shy. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to check back again soon to see what other content I will have coming out.